The tech industry is getting saturated, and this is reducing the number of jobs available for tech roles every day. You'll be stuck to that 9 to 5 job that is only paying you a penny every month if you don't take the bold step to upgrade your skill. This was my experience in 2022 when I was working for a startup company. I was earning 100,000 naira as a monthly salary, which was quite fair for me at that stage. But the working environment was really toxic. The burden and the pressure was so much to an extent that for every little mistake you made, a certain amount of money will be deducted from your salary. You might end up going up with just 60,000 naira at the end of the month. I didn't have a choice because I don't have the required skill to land a better paying job. This was what motivated me to pick up a new programming language when I was there. In a few weeks that I resigned, I got a better paying job with the help of the new programming language that I learned when I was working there. If this is what you are experiencing or you want to upgrade your skill, here are the few steps I would advise you to follow. Number one, you have to set a target. Let's say, for example, you are earning 100,000 naira and you want to double your income, or you want to start earning like 200,000, 300,000 naira. After you might have set your targets, the second thing you need to do is to visit the job listing website. Check out for the industries that are ready to pay you this particular amount of money. Check out their tech requirement skills and tailor your learning around this. If, for example, if you look up the job listing website for the financial industries, the popular programming language most of the time is Java, C Sharp, ASP.NET. The same with the insurance industries. If you check out the insurance industry, the popular programming language you will find there is either Python, Golang, C Sharp. So after you might have learned some of this programming language, the third step is to build a production-based project. This is really important because this is going to give you a leverage over others. Don't just be like a normal developers that they just build portfolio websites, e-commerce websites, leaving it on their system. No, you have to be different. What you have to do is to look at the problem in those industries and see how you can provide solutions with your skills to those problems. Because this is going to give you a leverage. During your interview, you can easily point out some of these projects you have built, and this is going to make you so valuable that it's going to be very difficult for them to reject you during your interviews. If you can follow these 3 steps, trust me, within 1 month, you'll be able to land a high-paying job with a good working experience. In my next video, I'll be giving out a 3 top secret websites where you can land a high-paying job. These websites are different from the regular websites like Indeed, LinkedIn. No, these ones are really different. If you're having a question or a comment or you need clarity, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow. And if you are watching on TikTok as well, don't forget to follow me.